Hello friends, welcome to Linux Performance Monitoring. My name is Shikhar Verma and I would be the instructor for this course module. I am in IT industry since 2005. It's been a long journey to be the part of various MNCs and global projects. I had been the part of AT&T Bell South, a US based project. I had been there for 3 years as a Linux administrator. I also got an opportunity to work for Johnson & Johnson project as a consultant. My primary skill is Linux and secondary is HP Unix, AIX, SolarX, AWS, Amazon Web Services and shell scripting. So on the basis of my technical skills, expertise and many years of experience, I have designed this course module, the Linux Performance Monitoring. Guys, I know it's a very tough job for every system engineer or Linux administrator to monitor and debug Linux system performance problems every day. After being a Linux administrator for many years in IT industry, I came to know that how hard it is to monitor and keep systems up and running. For this reason, I have compiled the list of frequently used commands, monitoring tools that might be useful for any Linux or Unix system administrator. These commands are available under all flavors of Linux and can be useful to monitor and find the actual cause of performance problem. So guys, basically, this course module I have designed to make you familiar with performance monitoring and different commands and tools which can be, used to trace out where is the actual problem during any performance issue going on any Linux server. So guys, a Linux system administrator should be proficient in Linux performance monitoring and tuning. This course module gives a high level overview on how we should approach performance monitoring and tuning in Linux to identify system bottlenecks and come up with solution to fix it. You should understand how various components of Linux works. For example, how to identify performance related issues like high CPU load, high memory utilization, high disk IO, high swap utilization and different tools and commands used to narrow down the issue. So the contents of this course module. So guys, first of all, I have started with a basic idea about Linux performance monitoring and tuning. Introduction about performance monitoring and Linux. I have discussed important 4 subsystems that need to be monitored whenever we have a performance issue on a Linux server or any server. So what are the 4 main basic subsystems that needs to be monitored, like CPU, memory, IO, network. So in this course module, that will be familiar and understanding with CPU module utilization like context switches, run queue, CPU utilizations, average load, familiar understanding with memory utilization, familiar understanding with IO analysis, familiar and understanding with network monitoring, and familiar with various commands to manage performance issues in Linux servers like top command, vmstat command, iostat command, free, lsof, TCP dump, network packet analyzer. So what is the, understanding the command? What are the outputs we have with the top command? How to understand if we have any performance issue going on any Linux server, if you'll fire top command. So how to understand like where is the exact issue? So all these things I have discussed in this course module, and so many labs are there to manage different issues in Linux servers. The labs on SAR, system activity statistics, following are the Linux performance statistics using SAR commands. Using SAR commands, we can do a lot of things like CPU utilization, we can check individual CPU statistics, memory, swap, overall IO statistics, individual device IO activities, run queue, load average, network statistics, and also report SAR data from a specific time. So all these things we have discussed in this course module. We have a lab on TCP dump, network packet analyzer. We have a lab on LSOF. These are very important topics which needs to be, very much important for a Linux administrator to understand how to use TCP dump and where to use TCP dump to analyze packets, packet flow, is there any packet loss. So guys, a lot of things I have tried to cover in this course module, and this course module consists of 16 lectures and initially few lectures based on theoretical, so that your theoretical base would be clear. After that, I have tried to explain each and everything through a live environment lab. So guys, Hope you will enjoy this. You will learn something from this course module. Thanks.